Predicting the outcome of the Russia-Ukraine conflict, exploring scenarios and implications. In today's video, we're plunging into the intricate landscape of the Russia-Ukraine conflict. Our objective is to delve deeper into the potential outcomes this ongoing crisis might produce. While we're armed with knowledge up until September 2021, remember that circumstances may have evolved since then. Let's jump into our analysis. Scenario 1. Diplomatic resolution. Our first scenario envisions a diplomatic breakthrough. International pressures mount on both Russia and Ukraine, compelling them to engage in peace negotiations. If successful, this could result in a ceasefire agreement, followed by the gradual withdrawal of Russian forces from Ukrainian soil. A peaceful outcome would spare both nations from the horrors of war and maintain a semblance of regional stability. Scenario 2. Frozen conflict. Scenario 2 introduces the notion of a frozen conflict. This outcome entails a protracted standstill, where neither party emerges victorious. This state of affairs could see the establishment of a buffer zone between the two countries, easing direct confrontations while retaining an underlying tension. It's a scenario that avoids all-out war but leaves the underlying issues unresolved. Scenario 3. Annexation. Our third scenario involves annexation. If Russia were to annex parts of Ukraine, global outrage would ensue. This move would trigger economic sanctions against Russia, sour diplomatic relations, and potentially escalate into more proxy conflicts. The fallout from annexation could be far-reaching, leading to significant regional instability. Scenario 4. Escalation. The fourth scenario raises the specter of escalation. Should diplomatic efforts falter and tensions escalate, a full-scale war could erupt. This would result in a catastrophic humanitarian crisis, including civilian casualties and mass displacement. The involvement of other nations could rapidly transform this conflict into a broader global catastrophe. Scenario 5. Negotiated settlement. Scenario 5 navigates the possibility of a negotiated settlement. This route entails concessions from both sides, Ukraine offering increased autonomy to regions with Russian-speaking populations, while Russia pledges to respect Ukraine's sovereignty. While challenging to orchestrate, this middle ground approach might sidestep a large-scale conflict. Implications and unknown factors. As we ponder these scenarios, it's paramount to acknowledge the myriad unknowns that could sway the outcome. The ever-shifting currents of geopolitics, the influence of public sentiment, economic pressures, and the actions of external players all factor in. Furthermore, the fluidity of the conflict implies that new developments can spring up unexpectedly, rendering precise predictions a formidable task. In wrapping up, the trajectory of the Russia-Ukraine conflict remains an enigma. While our scenarios provide a roadmap for potential outcomes, the intricate dance of international relations means that any prediction is inherently malleable. A unified global effort to prioritize peaceful negotiations and diplomatic avenues is crucial to circumvent further suffering and regional instability. Thank you for tuning in today. If this video deepened your understanding, remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, at the Curiosity Lab, for more comprehensive explorations of critical global issues. Stay informed, stay curious, and until next time, take care.